Howdy y'all, this is Dwight and welcome back to my channel. I have finished up another pocket knife. This pocket knife here is my 99th one that I've made so far, and it is my trapper pattern. The handle material is dyed and stabilized maple burl. Some pretty sweet stuff. And the bolsters, butt caps or end caps, and the liners is copper. And I did some file work all the way along the spine on this one. The blade and back spring is CPM 154, and I put a 400 grit hand sanded finish on the blade. In the spine, I actually went over it with 1000 grit, so the spine is actually the nicest finished spine that I have done so far. A little bit extra work, but it's rather nice, I think. Nice snappy action. Pull is a good medium, and this one where, of course, I do have a long pull in it, and where it's a little farther back from me doing a long clip, I'd say it would feel about like a 5.5 to 6 as far as the pull. If I did a short clip and had the long pull or a nail nick farther up, it would probably feel a lot lighter, but nonetheless, very nice action, I do believe. This has been a look at my 99th pocket knife. Appreciate y'all stopping by.